Morning, everybody. Nigel Hawks, Hawkeye Traders, and it's the 7th of September, and I'm on my way over to Dallas to hold the seminar in a couple of weeks and do some other business. Hope that you can come down to Dallas. Randy and I will be there, and I can assure you we'll really fast forward your experience with Hawkeye and make you consistently profitable. There's more on our website if you'd like to come. It's $750 for 2 days, and we trade live on the Monday. I want to show you. And also I'm going to be doing the room this week. Hopefully the internet from the hotel that I'm staying in will be strong enough, have enough bandwidth to do it. But I will be doing the room this coming Friday. And there will be no room the following Friday, but I will tell you about that next week. Let's just have a look at some of our open trades, because there was a very interesting setup on gold. If you remember, I've been saying be very careful of gold. We did get a kick out here to the upside. It was against the Huey, the gold mining indexes. That was not making new highs. I then came over to the high that it made in this up run, and I elected not to take that until there was a close above that high, which didn't come in. Fortunately, because it's now showing some weakness and coming down. The weekly's up, the monthly, the daily is all up. Good opportunity if it comes back down to get in it and buy it. Exactly the same with copper. If we look there, we had a little buy that came up here, which I took, and then it started to roll over and show some weakness, which confirmed to the weekly and also the declining monthly chart. I'm just waiting for this daily to come down to short it, but it's in basic congestion. I want to show you coffee, which I got stopped out of during the week. I went long here, got stopped out as it came down and touched my barrier here, but still very, very good profit. Waiting for it to come out of its congestion area. You can see that it's white trend dots, and then I'll be looking to get back in it. Be very careful if you're new to trading. Coffee is a big contract. Beans, I want to show you. By the way, when that happens, it means that the internet was just having a blip as it was trying to load it. But anyway, it's weekly uptrend. And what I have here, we went long again. I got stopped out here for a profit, waiting for this congestion zone to finish, and then I will get back into it. The bonds are still long, the treasuries are, etc. What I wanted to show you, and what the heading of the email this week is, both Randy and myself have discovered a new way of trading and scalping the S&P or any of the indexes, which has been exceptionally profitable. And what I want to show you is this. What we're doing is really looking at the blue time frame. If you remember, we go into the gearbox. There's the blue time frame, not the ultra blue, not the Scion, the dark blue 2752, and we look at that against the slow time frame, the 11008, the orange time frame. This works on forex as well. And then if I can just extend this up, and this is just for scalping, but it has been very successful over the last couple of weeks. I don't know whether it will do it all the time. We've yet to prove that one up, but it's looking very good. So what we're looking at over here is that the market is only telling us that we can have shorts here. So over here we go, we have a long that's come in on the blue time frame, and you can see the Scion dot there. I have the roadkill set up. Sorry, that should be bar interval 4, and you can see that we had the Scion dot that came in here. So remember to set this up for bar interval 4, and the Scion dot's here telling us to get into this trade. Now it's against the slow time frame, so we're not expecting it to go so far. So if I put my grabber on, which there was the trigger bar, there was the entry bar, I'm looking for it only to go and take up to the blue line, which is 4 points. Now, this was not elected yesterday because there was news at the top of the hour, hence that magenta bar there. So there was nothing happening, and it was too late into the trade, and there was no other setup here. But we did get a short here. You can see that short quite clearly. So we are expecting, because it's in the direction of the slow time frame, we are taking a profit at the yellow line. I call that the sunshine line. That's 6 points. So we're looking to go out at 6 points and take our profit there, which we did do. To set the grabber up, you set the grabber up by going into it and changing the factor to 8, which is 2 points for each line, and the stop multiplier, I've put at 3. I use the Hawkeye stop. I don't use the grabber stop, so I put it in at 3, so it's far away from the chart. So here we go, coming down here, and then we get a long that comes in here. And if we go and see where that is, you can see that the long comes in on this bar, and you can see that we've got green volume here. Obviously there's green volume over here. We have green volume everywhere. We have the trend dot on the Hawkeye slow trend starting to rise, and the closes are greater than the trend dot as well. So we'll be looking for a 3 level up, and that's what we get. You can see that it goes up to the 1149, the yellow line. As soon as it touches that, take your profit. This is not a trend following system. It's a scalping system, just to take profit. Remember the rule: you can only take 2 trades, providing they are both plus trades. That's you done for the day. So we have taken 12 points out of this by something about 10 past 11 in the morning. If you wanted to carry on, you could, but one of the things that I see that people make mistakes are that they overtrade as the day progresses. So if you do want to, go over to your slow time frame and put the ATRs on, because what you're trying to do is to get into a swing trade. And there is our entry that came in on the ATRs, and we're looking to trade the ATRs with the ATR rules and take that up to the 3 level. Actually, it went up to the 3 level. You would have taken a contract off and then exited all contracts as it closed under the 1. But still a very nice trade for you. Now, this is a new method. I will be showing it to you and going into greater depth down in Dallas. So if you can come, we are going to move you on and teach you a lot that weekend. Thanks very much, and I hope to see you guys on Friday.